Good morning. I'm going to have to stop using this to wipe my dry lips. I'm going to put this one in wash again now. Oh dear. I've always got bits of dry skin coming off especially when it's getting cold. That's why I'm always doing this with my lips. I suffer from cold sores, so I try to keep it away by drying off the dampness. Oh dear. Get bloody rain. Peeing it down. It's not going to focus on anything, it's just going to focus on the rain on the window, but it's slinging it down. I'm doing it again. Ah well, at least I'm not going anywhere like town or out. Don't even know if it's raining this weekend, I mean, on Saturday. Oh dear. Other day someone mentioned something about Sunday dinners disappearing, like this proper Sunday roast. I'll do one this week. Do a pork. I like pork. Pork roast. I might do one anyway. Depends if anything else comes up. Oh yeah, thinking about doing a sausage casserole, yeah. If it's cold like it is today, I'll do a sausage casserole. And I'm sick and tired of looking at bloody Spock. Oh dear. Anyway, what day is it? Wednesday again, yeah. Could have gone to the boot market on Wednesdays, but I'm not going out in that. Just to, have a look for a load of old tat. Anyway, I'm gonna get a coffee first and get in my shower. See you in a bit. Not sure if that light's better or worse. I took the blue filters off of it and left the red one over here. Might be alright. Might be too bright when I'm watching a film though. I've got that one here. That one looks just really red. Right, I'm gonna make myself a coffee now. Oh, it's still bloody raining as well. I've conditioned my hair, so it's going to go like bloody Einstein again. So, oh dear me. Oof. Putting these ones in the wash, and we'll get my black ones back out in a minute. Oh, I was going to say, yeah, I've had YouTube have been having some issues with the comments. They're not going through properly, so if your comments have disappeared, it's not me, it's YouTube. Unless it's a bad comment, then YouTube will just remove it anyway. Oh dear. I'll show you the issue fix that that YouTuber put up, and I'll put it up here. But I keep having problems with comments, so having problems with a lot of things at the moment, YouTube. But at least I can put music on it, and that's a good thing. I might get me later on. I might get my harness out, put my camera here, and then go out to shop because it's raining. can carry my umbrella instead of my camera. And have it going forward. So I'll see you when I'm going to shop, because I'm going to get today's lottery, normal lottery, yeah. I'll see you all in a bit. Can never get this bloody straight. Stopped raining anyway, but still gonna have a little walk with this. I say where I've put my keys already in my bloody pocket. Oh, don't know what else I need. I'll have a look when I get there. Right, I'm gonna go. Right. Oh, that's better. Been out for a nice good walk at least, anyway. It's a little bit of a distance there and back. I think it's about just over half mile, between half mile and a mile there and back, and it's only like 10-minute walk there, well 5-minute walk there. Anyway, I'm going to leave this video here. If you like my videos, give us a like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Catch you all later.